Come test drive the 2019
Buick Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats standard with seating for up to 8 passengers. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, power driver mirrors, power passenger mirrors, power brakes, auto-off headlights. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.